In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can bring your custom HTML into HubSpot quickly and confidently. First, open your HubSpot account and look for the main navigation on the left side. From there, head into Marketing and then select Email. This brings you into the Email tool where you'll manage and build your campaigns. Next, click Create Email. You'll see a few options for how to begin, but for a clean slate and full control, choose Start from Scratch. This tells HubSpot you want to build an email without any preloaded design or modules, which is perfect when you already have a finished HTML template. At the top of the editor, find the display options and switch to the plain text version. This is where you'll work with the code directly. Once you're in that view, copy your HTML code from your source file and paste it into the editor. Give it a moment to load so HubSpot can render the structure and styling. A quick tip as you paste: make sure your HTML is clean, well-formed, and uses inline CSS wherever possible, since many email clients strip external styles. Also ensure your images use absolute URLs so they display correctly when recipients open your email outside of your environment. If your template references web fonts or external scripts, remember that most email clients won't load them, so plan for safe fallbacks and avoid JavaScript entirely. As you're working, keep an eye on accessibility and deliverability best practices. Include clear alt text on images, balance text and visuals so it doesn't look like one giant image, and make sure you have a visible unsubscribe link and physical mailing address in the footer, as required by most email compliance standards. It's also smart to verify that your links use HTTPs and that your tracking parameters are correct if you rely on analytics. Once your HTML is in place, give the content a careful review. Look for broken lines, strange spacing, or styling that might not translate across clients. If your template includes a text-only fallback, confirm that the plain text version is readable and matches your message. That helps with accessibility and improves inbox placement. And that's it. You've imported your HTML email template into HubSpot using the Email tool, starting from scratch, and pasting your code in the plain text version. You're now ready to proceed with your campaign setup, confident that your custom design is in place and ready to go.